Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you how to remove and replace the cabin air filter. This video will apply to Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. Cabin air filter is located just behind the glove box. So first thing you want to do, you want to open the glove box. Okay, so what you will do next, first you have to detach this lever, which is right here. So what you have to do, you just have to gently lift the glove box and then pull this lever to this position and pull it out to release it from this side. Now once that is done, next thing you want to do, just have to detach the top portion of the glove box. So you'll have one tab here and one just up here on the other side. So all you have to do while the glove box is half closed, so I'm holding it with my leg right now, you just have to push onto this tab inside, so this tab passes the edge of the top portion of the glove box, if that makes sense. You just have to pull the glove box under this tab, and this tab goes up, you see. Okay, this is the idea, see, and now you can lower it all the way down. Now this has to be done on the both sides at the same time, and to do that I will have to use both of my hands. But this is the idea, it's very easy to do. Okay, now once you have the glove box down, you'll have the access to the cabin air filter. Now to access the filter itself, you will again have two tabs, one here on this side and one just on the opposite side. Okay, and the other side the same thing, just push it towards that side and the cover should get off, and here is the cabin air filter. As you can see, mine is very dirty. I got this car from the car auction recently, and by the looks of it, this was never changed. It's a 2020 with 60,000 kilometers on it, so this is the first original cabin air filter, I'm pretty sure. Look at this. Just terrible. But yeah, this is how you can remove the old filter. Now to install a new one, just push it straight in. And also one important thing, you can see the airflow arrow down. So when you buy the new filter, you want to make sure that it's placed in the right direction. So the airflow arrow has to be pointing down. Thank you for this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.